You've been brushing your teeth every day, right? Great. But the question is, have you been doing it right? Let's go over to the proper brushing techniques that keeps your teeth and gums healthy. Number 1, choose the right brush. We have the soft bristle toothbrush and the hard bristle toothbrush. A quick difference between them. The soft bristle toothbrush is always gentle on your enamels and gums, and it cleans just as well, while the hard bristle toothbrush can wear away your enamel and as well irritate your gums. So which would you prefer? I'm sure your choice is as good as mine. Number 2, use a pea-sized amount of fluoride toothpaste. There are so many benefits of fluoride in your toothpaste, and one of it is that it strengthens and protects your enamel. However, it shouldn't be abused as well, because too much of it can be dangerous to your health. So as an adult, you use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Number 3, brush at a 45-degree angle. Angle your brush towards the gum line, not flat. This would help you remove plaque without injuring your gums. Number 4, use a gentle circular motion. No scrubbing. Use small and gentle circles. This removes plaque effectively and prevents gum recession. Number 5, don't forget the inner surfaces. Many people brush without brushing the inner surface. The inner surfaces are the lingual surfaces, the surfaces that are closer to your tongue. When you are brushing your mouth, don't forget those surfaces, because they can harbor bacteria and they can harbor food particles as well. All you need to do is to tilt your brush vertically and use up and down strokes to remove the plaque and to brush the surfaces as well. Number 6, don't forget to brush your tongue too. Whenever you are brushing your mouth, don't only brush your teeth, brush your tongue too, because your tongue harbors bacteria as well. There are food particles that sit on the surface of your tongue as well. So when you are brushing your mouth, ensure to brush your tongue as well. Number 7, brush for 2 minutes, twice in a day. Twice in a day, in the morning and at night. In the morning, you brush after your breakfast, and then at night you brush after your dinner. When you are so sure that you won't be taking anything for the night again, you brush your mouth and then you go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, you rinse your mouth with warm water. You don't brush your mouth. You rinse your mouth with warm water and then you take your breakfast. 30 minutes after breakfast, you brush your mouth. The reason you are brushing your mouth 30 minutes after breakfast is to allow your enamel to rest. Because while you are taking your breakfast, your enamel is kind of soft, becomes soft. And when you brush your mouth immediately after your breakfast, then you have the tendency of wearing your enamel away. This is why you should allow your enamel rest a little before you brush your mouth after breakfast. Number 8, replace your toothbrush every 3 months, especially when you notice that the bristles of your toothbrush are becoming frayed and flat. You replace your toothbrush even if it's not up to 3 months. If you notice that your toothbrush has become frayed and flat, you replace it even before 3 months. The reason you are replacing your toothbrush every 3 months is because your brush is the tool you use to remove bacteria and food particles from your mouth. And no matter how much you rinse your brush and wash your brush, there will still be bacteria and food particles there. You might not see it with your physical eyes. There will still be germs. So you don't want to continue the usage of this kind of tool for a whole year. This is why it is advisable that you change your brush every 3 months. Always remember that brushing the right way keeps your teeth stronger and your smile brighter. Do not just brush, brush smart. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, and please like, comment, and share with everyone who will be needing this information. Till I see you in my next video, take care of yourself. Bye.